So at present, we're currently using quite a standard traditional sort of classroom look and feel, where we have a interactive screen of some sort, and we just find that with the ViewSonic boards we have a multi-touch interactive panel that works really well with that 27-inch display, and as the teacher's annotating on the display, it's mirrored onto the board, which is then in effect going onto the children's tablets. So it works quite well as a one-stop solution, and it's very effective in our teaching and learning.
It's just so much easier. Because I'd had you've got to look at the progression. I had a PC with one monitor and a non-interactive board, to an interactive board, still a monitor, to having a touch screen at home, or touch screens on here, touch screen at home, and it's just so much quicker once you're used to it, it's just so much quicker to pull things in. It's like having an old phone and a new phone. You wouldn't swap your smartphone for the old Nokia. You just wouldn't do it. It's just the ability to drag things in, type things, write on things, grab things, and then it's intuitive. It's just quicker.
It's just so much easier to get to manipulate and move around. There's so many, the way I have my OneNote set up in particular, there's so many directories. Being able to find my way around really quickly and easily on a really nice big screen. And get to pens easy, but the best thing of all, something really basic, which is just the zoom. I just love the fact that I can use a basic sort of tablet functionality of just being able to stick my hand and it gets bigger and smaller, and that was a real pain trying to do it through a mouse.
It's been fantastic because I can, I tend to swing it around and move to where I'm sat now, actually, enabling any of the students over here to see straight across, whereas in the past, particularly if I've stood on the left-hand side of the screen, I've had to ask those students to actually get up and move across the classroom, whereas now I just tuck myself away into the corner, although I'm in many respects quite a way away from the screen itself, because I'm working on my little monitor, and what I'm doing obviously is portrayed onto the big screen. Then it's like being in front of the monitor, or being in front of the big screen, but you can be very much out of the way and directly facing them at all times.
It's very easy to change pages. It's very easy to take the registration. It's very easy to close something down, to open something up, to move from one software to another. Then it's easy to zoom in so they can see very clearly you're working, or you can mark their work, so it's very clear how to put mistakes and misconception into place. Then you can allow them to come to the screen, and then they share the work. You face the students, so you have much better control of the group. Then it's very engaging because students are in technology and they are really happy to see all this novelty in the lesson. So not only they like it and they engage with it, but you are facing the students all the time. You can speak clear and you can speak loud and they can hear you properly, so you are not at risk of having your back to them or somebody is fiddling in a corner. You really have a very good view of the group.